Hey guys, I will show you in this website a way by which you can get a free API key. TokenGo, as you see, go to the browser, simply open this link tokengo.com. And this website is quite simple. You click on Get Started, and you can create an account through your Google or GitHub account. Simply authenticate on this website, and after that, you will be redirected to the dashboard area. You simply grant the access. So you will be redirected to the dashboard area. As you see that all the models are present: DeepSeek, Kimi K2, GLM, Quen, Minimax. So now to get the API key, as you see, if you check out there, this is the API key. Click on new API key. Just give it a name, and this is here. They also have the playground section as well. From here you select the model. So you do need to top up here once you register. Insufficient account balance. So go to billing section and you can top up. Unfortunately, it doesn't give you some credits once you sign up here, so you do need to top up using Stripe. Simply mention the amount and then open credit card and simply top up. After that, you can create an API key. As I already created this, so it's very simple. The interface is quite simple of the website TokenGo. So they have the base URL is this one. As you see, OpenAI compatible AI gateway it is. You select your language. So Python is quite simple. Right here you paste your API key. The base URL is simple. This is will be a API key, and then you can simply call this API. Very simple. So this is the website guide. Definitely check this out. TokenGo.com. All the models are present. It gives you a free API key. After that, you simply top up with Stripe. They also have a affiliate program as well, where you can actually earn through affiliate as well. So definitely check this out.